I'm going to show you a new copy and paste method to make over $500 every single day, and this works worldwide. This is completely free, and this will work for any age group. I don't care who. Now, if you want to know how to crush it online with this new method that can make you $500 per day, basically guaranteed, then smash that like button right now and comment down below why you deserve to win the giveaway for this video. Like, this is the easiest thing to learn ever, and imagine if you're making an extra $500 a day, what would you do? Would you go travel the world? Would you buy a car? Would you buy a house? Would you save for retirement? I don't care. But imagine what you would do with that kind of money. This is the hugest new opportunity I have seen in a long, long time. And basically all you're doing, guys, is you're modeling success. You're copying other successful stuff and just pasting it. So if you are excited, smash that like button. Let's dive right into the video.
Welcome to this video, Learner Machines. In this video, I want to teach you guys how you can make $500 with adult marketing. If you ever heard of adult marketing, it's basically you go on these adult websites, okay? You don't have to see anything or do anything bad, okay? All you do is you advertise on these adult sites, and it's crazy because there's so much freaking traffic. The traffic's endless. It's not strict at all, and like the opportunity is endless with this. And so I love it so much. And as you can see my results right here, that's $54,000. I'm 18 days into the month here, and it's insane. And that's like $3,000-ish per day. And that's with paid ads, okay? None of this is free traffic at all, okay? I keep this stuff very secretive, but I have a whole entire course about it, which is very low priced. But I'm gonna give you a method in this video right now and explain some stuff that you could absolutely go and crush it with, okay? Because if you put $1 in advertising and you make $5 back, or if you make $10 back or more, even $2, guys, that is a business you could scale to the moon. And I mean, the opportunity just never, it's endless, okay? You go to Crack Revenue. Now, there's a lot of different CPA networks for adult, and every single network has good freaking offers you could promote. And so you find these offers easily by sorting by EPC. This right here is the top offer based off EPC. It's in Denmark, okay? You want to test it for yourself and find out, but you'll notice if you go right here, these are the very top offers. Now, where do you advertise, you're probably wondering, okay? You could go to places like Traffic Junkie. You could go to places like Traffic Factory. So Traffic Junkie, that one's like the biggest one, pretty much, and it's easiest to use. It's got sites like Pornhub and other sites like that, okay, on it, okay, like RedTube and all these crazy sites and Xhamster or whatever. Traffic Factory has Xvideos as their biggest site that they have access to for you to advertise on. Then there's things like Pop Under Traffic. You could go to sites like Exoclick, has both banner and pop under. You could go to places like Plug Rush and Juicy Ads and things like this. There's a lot more, but those are the main ones. If you guys want to learn more, check out more videos. I'll see you guys later. Peace out, Learn Machines.